In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary email address on your PayPal account. This is a quick and useful update to make if you've started using a new email address, if you want better access to your account notifications, or if you simply want to keep your account details current. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, log into your PayPal account. Once you're on the main account screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This will open your account settings, which is where you can manage important personal and account information. After that, go to the Account tab. In this section, you'll be able to see your account details, including the email addresses connected to your PayPal profile. This is where PayPal lets you review and update the email information linked to your account. Next, find the option that says Add and click it to add a new email address. When entering your new email, make sure to type it carefully so there are no spelling mistakes or missing characters. Using the correct email is important, since this address may be used for account notifications, payment confirmations, and other important updates. As you add the new email address, you'll also see a checkbox labeled, "Make this my primary email." Be sure to check that box before finishing. This tells PayPal that the new email should become the main email address associated with your account, instead of the previous one. Once you've done that, complete the update and save your changes. Your new email will now be set as the primary email on your PayPal account, and that's all there is to it. As a helpful reminder, after making this change, it's always a good idea to double-check your account details to make sure everything was updated correctly. If PayPal asks you to confirm the new email address, make sure to complete that confirmation step as well so the email works properly with your account. This is a simple setting, but keeping your primary email up to date can help you stay on top of security alerts, payment activity, and account messages without interruption. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to change the primary email address on your PayPal account.